Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Bilal Haider, and today we are going to run the program of assembly language on Notepad++ and on Microsoft Visual Studio C++. I have both version 2010 and 2015. So first of all, we are going to extract the Masm folder, which I have pasted in the C directory. Here I have extracted that Masm zip file that is here. So that's it. We have just to extract its zip file. Now I'm going to open the Notepad++, new file, and I'm just going to write the program which will include hello world as well as subtract and add figures. So that's it. Include Advanced library advanced32.inc, and now we are going to define the data which we are going to use in the following program, which will be message, and byte will be its data type, and it will contain a string described as hello Bilal Naqvi. That's it. Now we will write 0AH and 0DH. The main purpose of 0AH and 0DH is that it will move the cursor to the next line. So now we will do comma 0. The line has been terminated. The next instruction is to define num1, which will be of data type dword, and it will contain data 10, and num2 of the same data type dword, it will contain like 11. Now we have defined our data types, which we are going to define in our program. Now we will start the code portion, which will start from by writing dot code. First of all, we will initialize our main program by writing main proc, and next we will use load factive address LEA, which will load edx comma message. And now what will this line is doing, that it's loading the message string into the edx register. We can also use move type instruction, but it will require offset word keyword in the command. So we will just doing that edx message. Now as we have loaded the string, now we will call it by writing call write string, and we will write call crlf. So what does the crlf do? The main purpose of crlf is just like we have used the C and L in C++, is just move the cursor to the next line. Now as we have done the hello part of the program, now we will do the addition and subtraction part. First I will do the addition part. I'll write move EAX and num1. It will move the num1 into the EAX register. Now I'll move EDX num2, and it's also will move the num2 into EDX register. Now I'll add it EAX and EDX. Now what will it do? It will do the addition of EAX and EDX, and it will save the result in the first operand, which is EAX in here this instruction. Now we will try to output the result on the console by executing the command write int. As the numbers are of integer type, so we will write int, and again call crlf. Here we have done the addition part. Now we'll do the subtraction part. So as the both registers are and the numbers are already moved into the register ex and edx, so now we don't need to again call that instruction. We will directly just do the subtraction. So I'll write sub ex edx, oops, and call. It's just like the add instruction, it will also subtract the ex and edx and the move and place the result in the first operand, which is ex in here. So I will write call the output by calling the instruction write int. Again call crlf and calling exit, which will exit the main function, and main and p, which will define that the main procedure will end here. Main and p will describe it. Main procedure and main. Now I will save it as asm project .asm with .asm instruction extension, and I will save it this file into the same directory of the Meson 615. Now to execute it, we have to open command prompt. Now first of all we have to go to the directory of Meson 615. First of all we will have to assemble the program. So we will write make 32, as we are using 32-bit assembly language, and the name of it's compiled successfully. Now we will execute the name of the program. Just write it asm project, and now you can see that the addition is we have two numbers of numbering 10 and 11. When we add it, the result is plus 25, as both are positive, so it's giving the number positive sign, and the number 2 are next by subtracting, as we had the result of addition stored in ex, which was 21. So when we subtracted edx from eax, the 11 was subtracted from 21, so we got the answer 10. So that's it. That was the notepad part. Now I'll do the same in Visual Studio. I'll just copy the program to save the time, cross it, open the Visual Studio 2015. First of all I will create the new project. Win32 and console application is some project. Okay, and click next, select the empty project and check it STL. taking some time. So now our project is created. Now click on right click on the project and click on go to the build dependency and build customization. Now select MASM and press OK. Then source, right click on source file and click new item. Click on Visual C++ and choose new C++ file. Now here we have to give the project name with extension of ASM. .asm. First of all, before writing the program, we have to do some configurations so that the Wheel Studio will be able to run the assembly program. So for that, we'll go to the ASM project, right click on it and go to the properties. On properties, go to the linker, and here additional library. I have before that I will describe that I have downloaded i132 library. Where is it? And that's here. Now extract it. It will be extracted into this folder. Now copy this folder and paste it in on your C drive, which is here. So we have to give the path of the i132 library to the project. So for that, go to the properties of the project and the linker, give the path of that i132 library. See, also do the same for under the link, go to input and include the library dependency irwin32.lib semicolon, press enter, and also go to the macro assembly, and here also we have to give the path of Irwin library, c:\irwin, press enter. Now press apply, press OK. So that's it. There is also some problem arise, so for that go to the tools and options and go to debugging. Under debugging, go to samples and please check this Microsoft sample servers and press OK. Sometimes it gives error for not having the Microsoft server samples. Now I will paste the same program here, and by pressing Ctrl plus F5, press yes. Now it will assemble the program and debug it, execute it. That's it. Thank you, sir. Thank you all of the viewers.